Hello, so I'm going to show you our new product, the Android 9. So as you can see in the SN code 9.0. The packaging didn't change. It's still the old multimedia video box MMB packaging. So now I'll show you this product on an Audi A4 with factory CarPlay. There is factory CarPlay on this A4, so your vehicle must have factory CarPlay as well to use our MMB products. So I'll just show you how it looks like inside. So once you open up the packaging, you'll see a product certificate, and then you see our MMB user manual, and then you see our new Android 9 MMB Android. It's a new color, navy blue, dark blue. Not sure if you can really see the color here. And as always, there's a GPS kit here, and then your Type A and Type C cable here as well. Now I'll plug it in to show you how it works. Connect the Type C of the cable into the product, and then Type A into the vehicle. Now I've connected the product, and you see this software. The software is the same exact software on the Android 7, but as you scroll through the menu, you'll notice something different: the CarPlay app. The CarPlay app is for you to connect your iPhone wirelessly to the MMB Android to use the familiar Apple CarPlay that you're used to, but wirelessly. I can connect in a second to show you. And another function that that is new on the Android 9 is the split screen function. So what the split screen function allows you to do is, for example, you can open Google Maps and open YouTube at the same time, and then in the middle there'll be a line separating the two apps, which I can show you more on our test platform. Because we can't use VPN on our vehicle, we can only use our office Wi-Fi for VPN. Okay, so we don't have VPN in the car, so we have to show you some functions on our test platform with Wi-Fi, office Wi-Fi with VPN. So now I'll show you our split screen function. First open YouTube. So I'll open a video, and then I'll show you how to start the split screen mode. So click on the video, and once you're in any application, you have these 4 floating buttons. Click on the second one to start split screen, and then you can choose which app that you want to split screen with. I'll choose Google Maps, and then while you have a split application on the side, you can put your video on full screen as well. Well, it'll be half of the full screen, and you can search where to navigate. And you can start navigation while having the video still playing on the left side or right side. And then to cancel the split screen mode, you simply click on the same button, and then you'll either be you can either watch the video or just navigate. To start again, you can click on another application, or if you want to just use the one on the right, you can just slide it to the left, and you'll be using only the application on the right hand side. So now I'll show you the Apple CarPlay app. This is the same function on the MMB Adapter Plus. So first we have to open the iPhone settings, general CarPlay, and then click connect new iPhone, and then find the smart device name on the bottom. Click on it, click on the name, and accept all prompts. Then your car screen will have this loading screen. Wait for it to boot up again. Wait for the MMB Android to boot up, and wireless Apple CarPlay will be connected wirelessly. So that took around 25 seconds for it to connect, 25 to 30 seconds. And this is Apple CarPlay but wireless. Same exact functions as you have on your original Apple CarPlay wired version. To go back into the main menu MMB Android, simply click on MediaCast. And another function that we have added is go into settings and go into general settings. And in here, you can see default startup program. So you can either start in wireless Apple CarPlay or you can start in the MMB Android main menu. If you select to start in Apple CarPlay wirelessly, you can skip out the MMB Android main menu boot up, so you can go into wireless Apple CarPlay within 20 to 30 seconds of starting your car. So make sure to choose whichever you prefer. And that's it for the new functions of the MMB Android 9.0 dark blue version. Okay, and if your vehicle does not have a touch screen, we also have these in stock, these wireless controllers. We call them air mouses here. So basically what will come in the package is these two components and a charging cable, since there's an inbuilt battery inside. So simply plug in the Type A receiver into the other end of the MMB Android. And then simply turn it on, and then you can use an air mouse like so. And then you can disable the air mouse with a button on the controller and it will stop moving. Also, you can control the menu with the keypad, left and right keypad. This is for vehicles without touchscreen, and we have this in stock for you.